See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Alright, so say una wanna watch that match for television, different from also watch the match for inside stadium. A lot of now no really know wetin dey go on. Let me give you an insight, right? Dem more come pick people wey wan blame. Now, there were 65,000 people inside that stadium yesterday. I no wan exaggerate, man just dash Nigeria 5,000, even though Nigerians were not up to 5,000, but we'll give them 5,000, right? You see inside that field, if Nigeria hold ball, it go be as if made the stadium fall. Now yesterday now I finally know the meaning of home advantage. I swear it go be as if the stadium go fall. But then again, Nigerian players still kept their composure, especially when that ball got to Kevin Bassey or if Nwabali hold ball. You go see say Nigerians they tame them down. If Nigeria hold ball, you go hear be but if you reach Bassey go contain am. Nwabali go roll am, then that their voice will come low. Then if you come dey push attack, if you just touch Adams or see anybody look man, but they still try. Now, wetin person when I go blame yesterday, I'm going to blame the coach. Not entirely. There were some players that were lacking confidence. Players like Onyedika. He was lacking confidence. If they give him the ball, it's either he pass the ball to them or he throws it outside. For some reason, he was lacking confidence. You know, person where they play for Club Brugge. You play away matches. You play away matches. When they play for Belgium, now they go play away and they do the same thing. I don't know what happened to him yesterday. I was surprised to think that I don't use Onyedika brag. I was surprised. Onyedika did not complete. He did not even complete up to 5 passes yesterday. And he will always take the ball to the back. Always. Always. I will say, okay, yes, maybe he didn't have the confidence because there was so much pressure. At the time, you say stadium, they be as if you won't fall. Do you understand? So the coach was supposed to change him earlier. He let him play till 80-something minutes. First of all, I blame the coach for that. Now, Akko Adams was playing terribly yesterday. You get one game where one boy is supposed to turn. The one where he's supposed to pass, he no go gree pass. I don't know what he was just playing yesterday. The coach saw it. I kept on screaming, bring in Onuachu. Onuachu wants to prove himself. He's doing it right now in the Trabzonspor in Turkey. Onuachu is one of the best players right now. He's in form. He's very hot. He's doing it well. I kept on screaming, give me Onuachu. We kept this guy there. Remove Akko, put Onuachu. If I thought they go see ball cross, we were not crossing the ball yesterday. How many shots we get? Morocco was also not really playing well. And even when they play well, there was Nwabali to punch the ball. Nwabali showed full confidence. You let Akko play till that long, 98 minutes. You let Akko play till 98 minutes. Then Osimhen, they limp. You let him play to 118 minutes. If you can let Osimhen stay 118 minutes, what is the remaining 2 minutes that you don't let him just use that like playing penalty? Osimhen would have been a very good confidence to the team to play penalty, like you go give them that boost of morale. It took him out by that time to put in on Onuachu. Onuachu is very, very good. I love that player so much. But you would have let him play with Osimhen. Let's leave what referee did. Forget what the referee do. Referee don't do his own, but we don't reach penalty. Now, for some reason, I don't know why, that coach didn't want to play Chukwueze. For some reason. Because people kept on saying they should play Chukwueze now, they should play Chukwueze now. For some reason, that man didn't want to play Chukwueze. Then Chukwueze, you came in. There was no zeal. I don't know whether or not the crowd boo you. I don't know. But as the first player scored, when Onuachu scored, when they came, they scored. Onuachu scored. Then they came, they missed. All you had to do was to just score and give us the boost. That's all you needed to do. The way you walked to the ball showed that you didn't even care much about the competition. I will not blame you. Why I no go blame you now? Because of say I did inside that stadium yesterday. But why I go still blame you now? Because you now top player. Play Villarreal, play AC Milan. You dey play Premier League now. You now top player. That's why I just shocked. See, I was like, Jesus Christ. Then when Oyemichi too come miss, I just say God of Israel. Oyemichi, when he was even going safe, I just heard somebody say another left foot I go miss. Boom. Anyways, I'm not going to entirely blame Una because me and they inside the stadium yesterday. We were there inside different from the people who watch for TV. People are there for TV. Who watch for TV, they know the air echo. They know the air echo. They don't know what you see for feed. Anybody who did that feed yesterday, make you can't tell now what happened. Well, like that stadium no for yesterday. Now because of the material where they build up. The only good part we say the Moroccans, they love Nigerians. Morocco people love Nigeria so much. They didn't mind to lose that game to us. However, they knew. People will say, we'll go market, go buy meat. We didn't market, they buy meat. One of them tell us, they will use money, buy them. Oh, so when the ref started to do that, I just say, let's see that guy talk. Then when it was now time to play penalty, there was a place where those are our people where they play drum. Those are our supporters club where they play drum. They were on the other side. They were large. They were like 0.5%. They would have even played it there so that they'll give Nigerian player a boost. They refused. They turned it to the other side still. I say, God of Israel. They play as they tried. Shout out to everybody that played. You understand? Everybody will not try. I see what happened yesterday. Now I know better. Before I go start to open my mouth, they talk, say this one, especially when I watch for TV, I'm not going to bother myself again. Especially those kind of games. I know no need. And to the Nigerian government, is it not time for you people to host Nations Cup? Peace and love, don't play. If you play God, learn that you will learn the hard way by. And I try. Nice one.